Good morning, students. Today we will learn working with tables in digital documentation. A table is an organized arrangement of text in the form of rows and columns. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. A table is a very efficient and useful way of organizing and presenting a large amount of data and information. For example, product catalogs showing description, prices, characteristics, and photographs of products. Bills or invoices we can represent with the help of table. List of names with addresses, age, professions, and other informations. Financial or statistical reports. Tables can often be used as an alternative to spreadsheets for organizing data. A well designed table conveys information in a more meaningful way than the simple written text. Let's learn. Microsoft Word provides a variety of ways to create a table. To insert a new table, position the cursor in the document where you want to insert the table and then use any of the method. We have three methods using table grid. Click on the insert tab and select the table option in the tables group. Drag the mouse pointer over the grid and select the number of rows and columns we want in a table. The table will be inserted in the working area. Another, using inserting table button. Table button पर click करेंगे, table dialog box will be appear. Specify the number of columns and rows under the table size section. Under the autofit behavior section, select the desired options by clicking on it. The third method we have using drag option. Click on drag table and the pointer will change it to pencil. Press the left mouse button and drag the pencil on the working area. Draw rows and columns by dragging the mouse in the working area. Place the insertion point in the cell where we want to enter the data. We can also insert a pre-designed table using the quick table options from the table drop down menu. Quick table option is also available. Now entering data, place the insertion point in the cell where we want to enter data and type the text. To move to the text adjoining cell, either press the tab key or the right arrow button. To move to the previous cell, either press the shift plus tab key or the left arrow button and then we can enter the data. The up and down arrow keys will move the insertion point above or below its current location respectively. Let's enter some students record here. Manas, enter its ID and gender, then designation. Through tables, we can manage our data in a systematic manner, or we can say we can manage our data in rows and column. हम अपने डाटा को रोज़ और कॉलम की फॉर्म में जो है वो मैनेज कर सकते हैं टेबल की हेल्प से एंड इट मेक दैट डाटा इन मोर अंडरस्टैंडेबल फॉर्म. Enter another student, Kabir, then ID of Kabir, gender and designation of Kabir. Now student selecting different components of a table. Table has mainly three components: a cell, a row and a column. A cell, click on the edge of the cell. The complete cell will be selected. A row, select a row, move the mouse to the left of the row margin. A column, place the mouse pointer over the top of the column and complete table. Click on the table move handle or drag the mouse over the entire table. Inserting rows and columns in a table. While creating and making entry in the table, we might need to add rows or columns in between. Word provides the facility to add columns or to right and left the existing column and insert rows above or below to the selected row. Method 1. Click anywhere in the row or column adjacent to which we want to add the new rows columns. The table tools टैब अपीयर्स इन द बटन. लेआउट टैब के अंदर जाना है आपने और वहाँ से रोज़ और कॉलम को हम लेफ़्ट साइड राइट साइड जो भी हमने इंसर्ट अबव और बिलो वी कैन इंसर्ट. सेकेंड मेथड, क्लिक ऑन द डायलॉग बॉक्स लॉन्चर इन द रोज कॉलम्स ग्रुप. वी कैन सी द डायलॉग बॉक्स लॉन्चर एंड इंसर्ट सेल्स डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर. वहाँ से ओके करेंगे और जहाँ पर जो भी हमने इंसर्ट करना है वो हमारा इंसर्ट हो जाएगा. रोज़ करना है, कॉलम करना है, सेल करना है. थर्ड मेथड, ड्रैग द row or column. Select the row or column and make a right click on the table. A shortcut menu appears. Select the insert options. Choose the desired option in the sub menu, like to insert rows or columns. What do you want to insert? Next is deleting cell, rows, columns and tables. It is very simple to delete cells, rows, columns or the entire table in the in Word. Deleting cell, लेआउट टैब के थ्रू ही हम डिलीट कर सकते हैं सेल्स को. यस, रोज़ कॉलम ग्रुप के अंदर डिलीट ऑप्शन इज़ अवेलेबल. वी कैन डिलीट द सिलेक्टेड सेल, वी कैन डिलीट द रो, वी कैन डिलीट द एंटायर कॉलम एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो डिलीट द कंप्लीट टेबल. टेबल भी जो है हम इनसे डिलीट कर सकते हैं. Next is splitting and merging table. Splitting a table means dividing a table into two parts, and merging two tables provide a way to consolidate two tables into one table. Splitting table, place the cursor inside a cell from where you want to split table. Layout tab पर जाएंगे, select the split table option in the merge group. Table will be split into two tables, and to merge two tables and make it one, place the mouse pointer in between two tables and press the delete key to remove the spacing. Both the table will be merged. What is copying a table? We can easily create a copy of table and paste it into another part. To copy a table, we should follow some steps. Bring the mouse pointer on the table, move handle and right click on it. Select the table, will be copied into the clipboard. We can press the Ctrl V to paste. Got it? Moving a table. To move a table from one location to another location, click and drag the mouse to move it at new location. And another method we have, that is Ctrl X. Select cut option or press Ctrl X. Table will be removed from its original location and place the cursor at the new location. Right click and select the paste options. Got it? The table will be inserted in the new positions. So students, today we have learned how to insert a table in the document.